Hello? Yes? Yes, this is him. Okay. Okay, I get it. I'll get right on it. Hey Conrado, I just got a call from the NASA. It turns out some astronauts discovered a planet just like us, but they don't have energy for their phones, and the chemical guys that during the landing, so they need a chemical reaction in order to produce energy for their phones so they can communicate.
Okay, let's do it for them. Okay, Fernando, what do they have?
I saw the list of what they have on the spaceship that the chemicals had, and they have a lot of solid metals, including copper, zinc, aluminum, a lot of sulfates that the chemicals left to prepare. Also, they have paper. They have the chargers of their phones that they all need to connect the voltage, and they have everything we need. I think we can get them through with this.
Okay, yes, sir.
So hey guys, we'll show you how to do your battery in outer space.
Well, first you will need 4 pieces of little paper like this, and 2 recipients about the 10 milliliters like this.
After that, you'll need some zinc, solid zinc, some solid copper, some copper sulfate, some zinc sulfate, and something to do your silent bridge. Some chemical that works for your silent bridge. We took NaCl, for example, and you won't need this, but we'll show it to you. So we're gonna measure the volts produced with the voltmeter, but you don't need it. You just charge your phone with the reaction.
First, you need to put copper sulfate in the first recipient, then NaCl in the second recipient, and last zinc in the last recipient.
For the next step, in order to a chemical reaction to occur, you'll need to connect the 2 recipients. For that, you'll take 1 piece of filter paper, put one end on the silent bridge, NaCl for our case, and 1 piece on the copper sulfate. Repeat the next step with the silent bridge, NaCl, and the zinc sulfate. We do this in order for the chemicals to connect using silent bridge so the reaction can occur and we can close the circuit.
Well, for next step, you will need to put the copper solid in copper solution and zinc solid in zinc solution, like this. And next, you need to wait for the reaction.
Hey guys, so this next step you will need, since this is for measuring how many volts the reaction produces, so we can show you that it works. What you'll need to do instead of what we're doing is connect the charger of your phone into the solution. That will start charging. One leg of the charger has to go into the solid zinc, and one leg has to go into the solid copper, that are the ones that produce the energy. You can see how the volt is produced right here. Tú me dices, ¿ya?
Yeah.
As you can see, we went from 0 volts to 1.007 volts, which is enough for what you need. No? As we saw, based on the zinc oxidating and the copper reducing the electron count, we got a charge since the electron flow.
After doing the experiment, we saw that reaction worked perfectly, that what they need.
Yes, and it's perfect since they have those materials on the ship.
We should tell them about the concentration.
Yes, one thing you should know is that no matter how much amount of copper sulfate and the zinc sulfate and the solid materials you pour, the only amount of energy you'll get is 1 volt. So it doesn't. So don't go wasting a lot of it. So you can make more batteries over time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Survive.
Survive, please.